Hi everyone, and welcome to the FlyWP monthly recap webinar of May 2025. I'm excited to walk you through the latest updates, improvements, and give you a sneak peek of what's coming next. So, without further ado, let's get started. May was a big month for us at FlyWP. We introduced some powerful new features and polished a few areas to enhance your overall experience. Highlights include all new Nginx config manager, improved site log monitoring, several bug fixes, and performance enhancements. And of course, we will also take a look at what's on the horizon. Let's start with the Nginx config manager. This is one of our most requested features, and it's finally here. You now have full control over your Nginx configuration. You can add custom config files, and FlyWP will automatically validate them to prevent misconfigurations. And if something goes wrong, you can instantly revert to the default settings with a single click. This gives developers more flexibility without sacrificing the safety or usability. Let's have a quick demo. So here I am at our Nginx config manager. If I somehow, let's say, misconfigure this, and if I try to save this change, it will be automatically saved. But let's say what we have done is that this configuration is not going to work. So let's say if we add something that is not in the files, and also I'm not going to put the semicolon in here just so this is a wrong configuration. Yes, this will throw out a error because this is being validated in the background. Now I can actually validate the config. This validates the config, but this is also not a correct config. This will be saved. But as this is a faulty config, we can just restore it to the default. So now you can see that the config has been reverted back to the original config successfully. No error logs, and you can playfully handle your Nginx config. Next up, site log monitoring just got a major upgrade. You can now access all relevant logs, Nginx zero logs, access log, PHP logs, and debug logs directly from one centralized location. This means faster diagnostics, easier troubleshooting, and a more streamlined workflow for site maintenance and support. Let's also have a quick demo of this. So under the log section, you can see that there we have a error log. This is basically the debug log, and it gets automatically updated with time. And here we have the Nginx zero log. You can actually delete this if you want to. You can download it if you want to. And here we have Nginx access log. This actually shows logs up to the last 500 lines from the Nginx access log. So now you don't really have to log in or access your server from a terminal and manually check the logs. You can just come in here, click on the logs, and visit the logs directly from using this by using this feature. Next up, we have some improvements. Under the hood, we have made several improvements. We redefined log visibility and ensured a more consistent UI across all the platform. There have also been performance tweaks to improve backup handling and minor UX enhancement across the site dashboards. These are small changes, but they go a long way in smoothing the day to day user experience. And finally, here's a sneak peek at what we're working on for the near future. First, and in a built-in subpath redirect manager that will make the URL management even more intuitive. And second, a unified domain management panel to give you better control and visibility all over your domain-related settings. We're really excited about what's ahead, and we can't wait to roll this out soon. That wraps up our May recap. Thanks for being a part of FlyWP community. As always, your feedback helps and shapes the direction of our platform. Stay tuned for next month's updates and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or suggestions. Until then, happy hosting.